first step, we're gonna go over the first 10 for LLCs, right? Number one, you gotta have an entity. LLC, S Corp, corporation, whatever, right? We doing LLCs. It gotta be open, active, and in good standing, right? So go ahead and open them now. Figure out what you want to do, right? And open up your LLC. Second, after you find out whatever business name you want to do, now you got to do what? Get your EIN. Where you get that from? IRS.gov, right? You go over there and you get free. You don't pay for it. It's free, but it got to match your business name. Your EIN got to match your business name, right? Everything should match up. Once you get your EIN, you go straight to the bank. You go to the bank, you got your article, your operating agreement, you got your letter, your certificate of operation, you got everything you need to open up that bank account. So lenders consider the day you open up your bank account the day you doing business.